Welcome to Raji's cooking show. Today we're making a rich and comforting dark chocolate lamb stew. This high-protein recipe is packed with flavor, tender meat, wholesome vegetables, and a secret ingredient, dark chocolate. Here are fresh and wholesome ingredients in the calorie chart. Portion control is very important. We have fresh lamb, onions, garlic, carrots, celery, and rutabaga. Check the nutrition chart to keep your portions right. Let's begin by cooking the bacon until it becomes lightly crispy and releases its delicious flavor. Just keep stirring it like this. See, it's starting to turn that perfect light brown. Almost ready for the next step. Now brown the lamb to lock in flavor and create a rich base for our stew. Turn them gently to get a nice color on all sides. Cook the vegetables and herbs until the onions become soft and fragrant. Add the lamb and bacon back into the casserole and mix everything together like this. Add the stock and season generously with salt and pepper. Cover and bake until the meat becomes tender and flavorful. Here's the magic ingredient, dark chocolate. It adds richness and incredible depth to the stew. This stew is rich, comforting, and absolutely delicious. Perfect for a healthy family meal. If you enjoyed this healthy lamb recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Raji's cooking show, and click the notification bell so you never miss a healthy recipe. Leave a comment below and tell me, have you ever tried chocolate in a savory stew? I'd love to hear from you.